sat outside talking as the clock tower struck 5. And almost at the same moment, Kay felt something fall in his eye. He rubbed his eyes and splashed water on it, but whatever it was wouldn't come out. It was one of the splinters from the magic mirror. Another piece struck his heart, and even though it didn't hurt him, it slowly changed his heart into a lump of ice. Poor Kay had changed. He looked at the roses and made a face.
How ugly those roses are. They are crooked and dull,
said Kay. Gerda was surprised. Kay had never spoken like that before. She brought out her book of animals, and they looked at it as they had done many times. But Kay closed the book shut and said,
I don't want to look at these ugly, horrid animals.
Kay was so grumpy and unkind that Gerda left sadly. When she came to listen to Grandma's stories, she was surprised to see Kay smirking. He stood behind Grandma and imitated the way she told stories.
He's never done anything like this before,
thought Gerda.
What's happened to Kay?
Kay imitated others too, and it wasn't pleasant at all to watch him. Time passed by quickly, and before long it was winter again. All the little boys and girls in the town went to play in the snow. Kay hardly ever played with Gerda now. One day he took his sled and went to play with the other boys. The boldest boys often tied their sleds onto a carriage or cart and took a great ride. Kay was feeling very bold that day. When he found a pure white sled passing by, he decided that he would tie his sled onto it. Inside the carriage was a woman wrapped in white fur, and she wore a matching white fur cap. The sled rushed through the snowy slopes, and Kay found it very enjoyable at first, but when it picked up speed and crossed the town, Kay was very frightened. Finally, the sled stopped. The lady stepped out and called over to Kay.
Come here and sit with me. You look cold. I'll wrap you in my bearskin.
She wrapped Kay and kissed him on the forehead. The kiss was colder than ice, and it went all the way to his frozen heart. As the sled took off again, the Snow Queen kissed him once more. Kay forgot his grandma, parents, and Gerda. He cuddled up near the Snow Queen's feet and slept.
I'll show you the games we like to play. Sledding is my favourite game. Help me. Good job. Let's do this one more time. That's enough. I'm bored of sledding. Let's make a snowman. Our snowman looks nice, but we need to dress him up a little. Yes, this is exactly what I want. Wow, I can see a beautiful sled down there. I'd like to sled on it. We have to tie my sled to it. I do this often with my friends. Can you help me get there? Help me get to that beautiful sled. Good job. Thanks a lot for your help.
Let's go and don't stop.